This is my Jeep update. Doing transmission service on my Jeep 42 RE transmission. And Cascade has videos on everything you need to know about Jeep transmissions. Check it out. And good morning, it's my Jeep. It's Wednesday now, I'm not sure of the date, early September. And I'm doing transmission service. As you can see, I've already dropped the pan and drained the fluid. It's still dripping out. I'll be careful, I get it on my camera here, but I will be changing all the components. You know, the filter, I believe that's the solenoid, I'm not sure. I've got there's a output sensor. Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it. Okay, output sensor right there. I'll be changing that out. And anyway, the filter, the shift solenoid, the transducer, and whatever else came in my kit. And this is a mess. If you haven't done this before and you're doing it from the ground, it's a mess. I dumped fluid all over the place. I've had to clean up twice. The initial, when I pulled the bolts out, it popped loose before I could get a hold of it, and it dumped fluid everywhere. Then when I did the final pull out of the pan, it dumped another 1.5 quarts or more, and I wasn't ready for it. And this is what you see of some of the cleanup that I've done. But anyway, it's been a mess, so be prepared for that. If you don't, it's a lot easier if you had a lift and had it high up in the air, but it's not that easy down here on the ground, especially if you haven't done it before. I wasn't really quite prepared for what I had, how heavy that pan was. And anyway, that's a My Jeep update. Get back with you on any progress. Out. My Jeep with another update. Okay, I just wanted to show you the transmission service kit and some of the components. I believe this first one, the black plastic one, is a transducer, output speed sensor. I believe that's the shift sensor. And of course I got the filter. I don't know the name of the spring, but there is a spring in there. Whether it's good or bad, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the new one. And there's a plate. I'm not sure where the plate comes out of there, but there's a gasket, new gasket for that plate. And that's my Jeep. Oh, also, they sent me 2 gaskets for the pan. Also, it's not here, it's supposed to be here later today. I've got a new Dorman transmission pan coming, and it's got a drain plug installed. And I'll tell you, after this mess I had over here twice, I dumped fluid, and I had some on me too. And I spent a lot of time the last couple days cleaning up and get prepared for this. So it really set me back on the cleanup because of my it's a combination of lack of experience, being in a hurry, not paying attention, not realizing how much weight is on that pan when you drop it down. Be prepared. If you're not ready for it, you may dump it. You might dump it on yourself. So that's my Jeep. Out for now. It's my Jeep update. Same day in the mid-afternoon. Okay, I got my filter off, and I still got a little bit of a mess from that. Luckily, it fell into the oil pan, or the anyway, you see it's still dripping. It's been here all night long and it's still dripping fluid. Anyway, I'm taking this plate off right now. I believe these are T25 screws right here. And anyway, I already got one of the T25 screws out. This one's already loose. I'll take this plate off here to be able to get this sensor out. I believe that's the shift solenoid sensor. I'm not going to make out like I'm an expert and know everything in detail, because I don't. I'm just quoting what I try to remember. Okay, got the second T25 screw out. Now I've got two 11mm bolts here. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the camera and get this off, because I'm afraid about fluid dropping down on it. Out. Okay, I got these two 11mm bolts loose. Come out. I'm not sure what's gonna drop out of there. I think that's where that small gasket goes. And must be something else holds it. I'll get back with you shortly. Okay, quick update. I was staring right at them. There's 4 11mm bolts. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm blind. Right in front of me. I'll be back shortly. That's my Jeep. Another quick update. I want to let you know, if you're going to do this job, it's going to be messy no matter what. If you're working on the ground like I am, it's messy. Everything you open and take off, fluid starts dripping out. So be prepared for that. You gotta wear safety glasses. I don't have mine on right now, and I'm backing off because I don't want to get that stuff in my eyes. Update you later. Okay. That plate's off, and now I gotta get that sensor out. This is a messy job, so I think I'm gonna stop my shut down my camera here, because I don't want to run my camera, and this is a pretty messy job. Anyway, I'll get back with you a little bit later. Out. This is my Jeep. This is the last update for today, Wednesday. Okay, I've sprayed this down with parts cleaner. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to let it drip. It's getting into the late afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and shut down today. Okay, this little plate here has got to come off too. I believe that's where that spring goes. I'm not sure. It could be another sensor in there. I'm not really sure. I'm going to check, do a recheck of a YouTube video I've been watching, and I believe it's Cascade. They got some pretty detailed videos on the 4.2 RE transmission. So I'm gonna review that, and I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it keep dripping. I've got this stuff in my hair and stuff. I wanna get out of here, get a shower, and haven't got it in my eyes yet. I wanna get when it getting's good. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll get back with you Thursday. Hopefully I'll be able to get all this back together. I got other work. I still got some motor mounts to put in, and finish up this service on this transmission. Jeep out.